What's going on, guys? Welcome to episode 11 of the E46 M3 drift build. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting this video off a little nervous, excited, anxious. I got a lot of emotions going through my body, and that's because this day marks a huge step in this whole build. And I'm currently sitting here in the parking lot waiting on, I guess you guys will meet him in a second. All right, guys, so here he is. Here's the man, the myth, the legend, Lee Coleman, co-founder of Streetfighter La E. And yeah, I didn't think this was happening, especially not this soon, but I'm actually picking up my full-on kit for the E46 today from the man himself. He hit me up, and yeah, I mean, I'll explain all this stuff to you guys later, but let me just digest this, pick up the kit from him, and go from there.
Let's do it. It's in our amazing car.
There you go.
The official Street Fighter delivery car.
Damn, I don't know if that's what you guys expected, but look at that beast. I'm surprised it fits in this little thing.
So, yeah. Here's all your shit. This is your official stuff. You are fully official. All this.
Got the shirt.
A limited edition shirt.
Yes, sir.
Everything.
Thank you. So he was talking to me about this and that. We got to talk more about it later, but I do believe I'm also going to be getting a code so then I can hook you guys up, get you better discounts on these kits, not only for the E46, pretty much for every platform they have. But yeah, anyway.
So these kits, just so you know, these are the same kits that run at Formula Drift.
Hell yeah.
Same exact thing. Same special propriety formula on our FRP. Same thing. This is Michael Essen runs this. Dylan Hughes runs this. Micah Diaz runs this, you know.
Everyone that's legit, essentially.
That's the E46 guys we have. There's E36 guys. Sir Nick is the E36 guy. But this is it. This is our proprietary FRP. You're getting it.
Hell yeah, man. I appreciate that. So we're going to start loading all this stuff up in my car and then, yeah, go from there. And I'll also show you guys a little something else after this kit. Damn, dude.
That is your whole rear of your car, dude.
My God. How much wider is this gonna make the rear end?
This
Do you know?
is gonna be about 3 inches.
Woo! Hell yeah. So now that the kit's loaded up in the car, I'm going to show you guys the other venture happening right now, which is sick. I don't know how many of you guys know about this, but Piston Pete's, this is going to be their first and only location as of now here in San Diego. They're not sure when they're opening up yet, but this is going to be one of the sickest distilleries ever. And obviously you can tell by name that this is very car oriented, so overall just motorsports, to be honest with you, but once it's open, I can promise you it's going to be a huge hit. So I'm heading to the shop right now to drop off that precious cargo, show the guys, and I don't know, maybe even mock it up to the car, because damn, am I excited. Holy crap. Hell yeah. Yo, I think we should try to mock this up if we can. Kind of hold it up against it, see how it looks. So we're gonna mock these up, or at least one of them, and kind of get an idea of how it's gonna sit and look.
Is make what we do. Oh shit. Dude, it's so wide.
Insane. Oh my god. Beast! Look at the difference. Yeah, that's probably close to 3 inches.
Beast, bro. There's gonna be a lot of trimming, dog. Oh yeah, we're gonna have to cut this car up.
Absolutely. Let's get a look at the front. Hell yeah. Alright, so a few days have passed since I picked up that Street Fighter kit, and I'm actually heading to Amor right now to go help JP work on that 2J, and by help I mean really just film. I'm not helping it much. But I figure right now would be a good time to give you guys a little background on the whole kit and how I came to get it, blah blah blah. So yeah, Lee reached out to me because I was on the website during Black Friday checking out the kits, and I didn't buy it. And so a day later, I think, I was checking my emails, and what do you know, Lee had reached out to me and said, hey, I see you checked out the kit. You know, I think I can give you a really good deal on this. I can make you part of the team. I can give you your own code. I'm actually going to be heading to San Diego so I can give it to you in person. And it was an offer I couldn't refuse. So that's how I ended up essentially in this position now. And I'm grateful for it. I mean, I think it's going to be a huge, huge plus to this build, and it's going to make it that much more exciting. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. And I mean, it's going to be a lot of other good content for you guys. So stay tuned for that. But right now, heading to Amor. What's going on, bro? What's going on, bro?
How are you?
How are you?
Good.
So you guys met JP in episode 10, but here he is again. We're at Amor today. And yeah, I mean, he's, like I said in episode 10 as well, he's essentially breaking down the engine right now. He's gonna swap the front sump to rear sump oil pan, doing timing belt, water pump, right? I think that was it, timing belt, water pump.
Water pump. We're gonna do some work on the oil pump.
Oil pump.
The front rear main seal. Retime it, put new tensioner on it, and just basic JZ maintenance while it's out of the car.
Yep, and then also while we're doing this, we might as well go ahead and make it look a little prettier. We're gonna throw on these new pulleys by Powerhouse Racing, which we got a whole pulley kit, and they look super sick. So I hear no one ever wants to buy a front sump, but hey, it's for sale, so if anyone wants it, hit me up. I'll literally pretty much give it away at this point. So how's it looking from what you see?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah, looks alright. Nothing out of the ordinary.
Alright, so JP just got the old rear main seal off. So guys, so this is the oil pump, and JP's saying that this is pretty much where all the magic happens, right?
Yep. This is one thing that's awesome about these JZ motors. It's just how large these oil pumps are. You have some cars that have much smaller oil pumps that are prone to failure. These things are pretty bulletproof.
So while JP's actually grabbing lunch real quick, I'm gonna give you guys a tour of the shop because there's a lot of badass cars around here that I just checked out and I think you guys would like. So let me start you off here. This is Amor's shop car, and they use this mainly for like time attack and autocross. Super clean Subaru, like full-on track car. And then as you move into the shop, they got a turboed S54 E46 M3. Then this is their new build, their E36 1JZ swapped fun car essentially. And I don't know about these guys. Then nice clean R34. Over here, this is pretty insane. Right here we have a twin turbo V8 Shelby, which JP was saying is gonna probably make close to like 1200 horsepower. Freaking insane. And then the most insane car in here, in my opinion, is this Supra, which has a, you guys won't believe it, but it has a freaking twin turbo V12. I've honestly never heard of that. It's freaking insane. Alright, so Ian, the man, you guys met him last time in video 10 as well. I introduced him, but he's going to be porting the oil pump, and go ahead and tell him why.
Higher boost, higher oil pressure. You'll actually have too much oil flow up to the crank seal. So you drill out one of the holes, a couple of the holes actually, just to stabilize that to prevent it from pushing out the oil pump seals, and then you also open up a couple of these holes to get better flow.
Perfect.
Help out those bearings.
Hell yeah, anything we can do to make the engine run better and more power. So Ian's done with this oil pump here, and you can see he smoothed out a lot of these little areas. So here, smoothed out all of this, that was sharp. Smoothed out these holes through here. And so that's gonna help out with a lot more oil flow. Simple as that. There's the new front main seal. We got the rear done, here's the front.
Fire it up, this will help seal the oil pump and build pressure quicker.
that thing on there. That's it, guys. Engine's ready to go back to East County Motorsport. So as always, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, support your boy, and I'll see you guys next video. Peace.